Okay. Did you catch anything? Oh no! Chicken! Hold!
There's a fish.
Hold this one! Hold this one!
Hey, Buro.
Oh, show it to Pop. Oh my God! This will be another big fish.
Oh no!
Don't cover the lens, Chicken.
It's gonna be so big.
Chicken, give it to Papa. Show it to Pop. Like this. Like that. Okay, don't cover it. Chicken. Oh man.
It's so big.
Is it?
Yeah. I can touch it.
Yes, you can.
Yay.
Oh, be careful though.
Because it's sweet
Yes.
and I can touch it.
Yeah, it has a spike on it.
Yay, thank you.
Wow. This river is plentiful. All right, keep it coming.
Oh, let me touch it. Oh.
Ah.
Aha! I got to fish.
Oh, wait, Chicken. Are you gonna cook something? What you gonna cook? Fish. The one that you caught. Right? It's a big one? And a catfish. Big catfish. So we're gonna prepare a fire to cook the catfish. Yes.